All right, I have a 2010 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. It has the factory rear locker, but it only works in low range, like below a certain mile per hour. So I got the KA injection bypass, and from what I've seen, just under the dash here, this is an automatic. It is right up there behind that black line. And we just unplug that, plug the bypass in, and should be good to go to use the rear locker in any configuration. So we got that removed. That was behind the hood release cable. And now we'll click in the bypass. Before you put in the bypass, there's a little tab right there on the back that you push to release it. So you got the bypass, snap that in, and then I'm trying to get the right angle here. It snaps right in up there, not in the way. See, diff lock's on. We're in 2-wheel drive. Just in drive right now. Lock's activated. 2-wheel drive. And then I went and backed out and just turned the wheel a little bit, and you can hear the wheels catching as they are locked together, so it definitely works.